All set now, ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have Bibora. Break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside. Larmayak. Gaia in the middle portion. Then comes Deputy Stravinsky. While dialyzing NC. While Traditional Dream is the early trailer by about 8 lengths from last to first. And going along for the first turn, Bibora. And on the outside comes La Armagnac. Deputy Stravinsky comes next, NC, then followed over by Gaia, Traditional Dream, Wild Wajalay Sing, now racing in less, and as they swing down the back, we have Vivora and La Armagnac, party route for the lead, 3 lengths further back in third, comes entry number 6, Deputy Stravinsky, NC, alongside comes Gaia, Wajalay Sing, while Traditional Dream, now racing in 7, out of our turn, the lead now belongs to La Armagnac by about half length. Vivora in second, Deputy Stravinsky, Gaia now coming closer, Wajalay like twice moving up, NC and Traditional Dream, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have La Armagnac by a length and a half, about to throw the challenge now on the outside, Gaia, NC in the middle with about 100 meters of the race. We have Gaia, followed by NC on the inside. Gaia, NC, Gaia, NC, and finally it's Gaia, NC, La Armagnac. Then comes Deputy Stravinsky, Wajalay Sing.